Write the fraction as a decimal. One way to do this is to divide the numerator by the denominator. Since 5 can't go into 3, we need to add a decimal before adding a 0. 5 goes into 30 6 times. So this equals 0.6. Another way is we can take our fraction and multiply the numerator and denominator by a number that'll make our denominator a place value, meaning the tenths, the hundreds, the thousands, and so on. We can multiply the denominator and the numerator by 2 to get 6 tenths, which could be written as 0.6 with the 6 in the tenths place. Write the fraction as a decimal. First, we can divide the numerator by the denominator, and 25 can't go into 4, so we have to add a decimal and a 0. Don't forget to carry up the decimal. 25 goes into 40 one time, which equals 25. If we subtract, we have to borrow. We get 15. Add a 0, bring it down. 25 goes into 150 6 times, which equals 150. So 4 over 25 is equal to 0.16. Another way we can do this is try and multiply the numerator and denominator by a number that'll make our denominator one of the place values, tenths, hundreds, thousands, so on. We can multiply 25 by 4 to get a denominator of 100, and also do the same thing to the numerator, and we'd get 16. 16 over 100 can be written as 0.16 or 16 hundredths.